Approaching the foul line, her stride became more fluid as she bent her right knee 64 pounds. To school while she was raising her children. Lola and Vanjie even helped you pay for it.
Does it go just a little bit further? The mice got into my beeswax and linseed oil. So this is my first time trying to do something this sort of small and with metal, or one of my first times at least. I made the depth of this pocket 1/100th of an inch to take the heart, and it wasn't quite deep enough. I did sort of sand through a little bit right there. And then when I tried to drill, I thought I could be able to drill to cover it, because I wanted the heart to hang crooked anyways, but it sort of made it worse. So I think I'm going to try and find another little piece of brass somewhere and make another one. I had some strips of brass that were a little bit thinner, a little bit narrower, so I scaled it down a tiny bit, and we're going to try again. Second time's a charm. I got all the depths right. I don't have to do any cleanup on this one. It's ready to just get glued together. And that's one of the cool things about the CNC for me too, is that like while that first one took me an hour and was subpar, I can now make a really good second one in about 15 minutes. And I could make hundreds of them too. Whoa, 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 whoa! Didn't want that much. What a mess. Put it up here to dry. See, the idea with this one was to make a fully flush inlay because this piece of brass was so thick, but since this brass is thinner, I could actually leave a little bit of the wood proud of the brass if I don't break it. I've been having fun doing this. My buddy at Off Your Rocker Woodwork gave me, he works at a, what are they called, harpsichord factory. He gave me a bunch of cutoffs of some blackwood. I'm going to mess around now. I'm going to do one in reverse and put a metal insert. I also have a piece of aluminum from an old ski that I'm going to insert into this blackwood. I think that's going to be classy. And so I'll just crud in there. Look at that. I cut aluminum without breaking a bit. It has occurred to me that I could just simply put this hole into the CNC file and have each of these pieces get drilled individually, and then when I put them together, they would fit together. I just haven't actually done it yet. But that ain't so hard.
Why don't you help me out?